Are you looking for ways to engage your audience as a presenter in these virtual presentations between Microsoft Teams, Zoom, WebEx, and other virtual meeting tools? You want to be able to do things like this? Check it out. So sysinternals is a suite of over 70 freeware utilities that was initially developed to monitor, manage, and troubleshoot the Windows operating system, and Microsoft now owns it. So you can see you can draw all kinds of shapes. I love using that bright green color, arrows. You can also annotate text directly on the screen, and you can get all different kinds of colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, pink, and you can also do a freehand annotation on the screen. And I'm just going to draw a little smiley face down in the bottom right corner here. And besides all of the annotation features, you can actually use this to zoom. So that's proven pretty useful in some presentations where I'm showing buttons on a ribbon or a toolbar. And so here I'm going to zoom all the way in on the URL so you can see it, and you can change the zoom level with Control and up or down arrow keys. So I'm going to show the different levels of zoom. Okay, and one really cool part is that while you're zoomed in, you can use those annotation features. And you can also change the size of your cursor, your paintbrush if you will. Okay, so go check it out. It's a free download, and let me know if it helps. Good luck engaging your audience. Thanks.